Hey, what's up guys, it's Marshall James. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video I'll be comparing the all new Infinix Note 7 Lite and the old Infinix S5 Lite. I came to see and realize these two devices share some major similarities. So what are their major differences? We'll get to know about that. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, please do go to the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon close to it in order to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Without much talking, let's begin. Talking about the design aspects, the all new Infinix Note 7 Lite weighs more and appears more modern than the old Infinix S5 Lite. It has a super fingerprint magnetic body that can be easily wiped away. Apart from that, both devices are made out of plastic at the back. On the front is a 6.6-inch screen size display. On the right hand side of the phone is where you can find the power and the volume up and down button. On the left is where you can find the dual nano SIM carrier with a space for the expandable SD card. Beneath the phone is where you can find your headphone jack, speaker grills, and a micro USB charging port. The Infinix Note 7 Lite comes all the way by putting the fingerprint magnet sensor on the power button. And trust me guys, it is super fast. It's super fast. While the old Infinix S5 Lite maintain the back fingerprint scan and positioning. But moving over to the display, both device comes with a 6.6 LCD touchscreen display, a 720 by 1600 pixel resolution, and there is no difference when it comes to display aspects. So let's see what the software and performance got to offer. The two devices comes with a 4 GB of RAM, a 64 GB of ROM, the same octa-core processor which clocks at 2 GHz, a MediaTek MT6762, Helio P22. But what makes the difference here is that the Infinix Note 7 Lite runs with the latest Android 10, while the Infinix S5 Lite houses the Android 9 Pie, but still handles performance and functionality perfectly. That being aside, let's jump to the camera zone. The Infinix S5 Lite comes with a 16 megapixel main camera, a 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel micro lens, a 2 megapixel depth, and shoots selfie at 32 megapixel. While on the other hand, the Infinix Note 7 Lite comes with a 48 megapixel main camera, a 2 megapixel micro, 2 megapixel depth, and a cute VGA for night mode, and offers selfie at 8 megapixel. Are you for real? 8 megapixel for the Infinix Note 7 Lite, while the old Infinix S5 Lite offers a 32 megapixel selfie shooter. What are you guys thinking? I don't like this. Here are some side-by-side footage from both devices. So from what we can see here, the Infinix S5 Lite offers a better selfie because it has a 32 megapixel selfie camera. While on the rear side, the Infinix Note 7 Lite takes the crown here for its 48 megapixel camera shooter. Hey, what's up guys? This is the front facing camera of both the Infinix Note 7 Lite and the old Infinix S5 Lite. I love what I'm seeing from the old Infinix S5 Lite because it's 32 megapixel front shooting camera, giving us something awesome here. Both of them are shooting on 1080p at 30 frames per second, and I love it so much. Okay guys, tell me what you think, what the video looks like. Behind me is my friend Michael. Michael, say hi to the camera. The battery, the old Infinix S5 Lite houses the 4000 mAh battery capacity, while the Infinix Note 7 Lite went all the way to give us a 5000 mAh battery, a difference of 1000 mAh battery, which is actually something huge for a device to last longer and stay longer as well. So guys, the Infinix S5 Lite goes for 54,000 naira, while the Infinix Note 7 Lite goes for a 68,000 naira, a difference of 14,000 naira. Guys, that's huge money in this Nigeria right now. You understand what I'm saying? 14,000 naira is a huge money. So guys, what are we saying here? Is the Infinix Note 7 Lite worth upgrading to? To me, I would say if you're a heavy user, based on the battery capacity, you can go for it. But if you love photography, selfie kind of person, stick to your S5 Lite because it offers better selfie. With that being said, let me allow you to make your decision as well. That was it for today's video guys. Let me know in the comment section which device you choose or crown the winner. Let me know the one you're currently using as well. If you love the video, please do well to give the video a thumbs up. Share the video as well to friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as this will encourage me a lot. I love you guys. See you in my next one. Bye.